What's up guys, it's Cole with Pete and Pedro, and as you guys can see, my hair is getting pretty long. I've been growing it out for about a year now, and I like it. I think it looks good, but it keeps falling into my eyes, which gets really annoying. So I was like, all right, I like the way my hair looks, I like the length of it, but how do I get it out of my eyes? And I came up with one very simple solution, and that one solution? Man bun. And in order to achieve the man bun, you're gonna need 3 different things. First thing you're gonna need is some sort of hair tie. And I've actually started wearing these on my wrist just in case I'm walking around and my hair's starting to get in my face and I can just pull it out right here. The next item you'll need is some sort of argan oil just to help reduce frizz. And the argan oil will just make your hair super shiny and smooth. And then finally, I use a very small amount of the pomade. And this is honestly just to make sure it's all nice and slicked back. Okay, so the very first step is to apply the Pete and Pedro argan oil. So I'm just gonna put a little dab into my hand, not too much. This right here is plenty. Mix it around a little bit. Then I like to apply it to the front and the sides of my hair. And yeah, as I'm applying this, I can immediately just feel my hair getting so much smoother. And I'm also gonna go back and kind of do the ends too, because the end's the most important part. So once my hair is all nice and shiny, I'll actually like to now go and grab all of my hair. So now that I got all the hair, I will now take the headband, put it over my hair, do a twist, and then kind of go half with it. And then here we go. So yeah, here's a little side profile. And then as you guys can see, my favorite part, there is no hair even near my eyes. See, there's many different variations you can do with the man bun, and it's all personal preference. This is what I like the best, but you could obviously go lower, higher, or I feel like I did kind of medium. You could do one section of your hair back here. It's all up to you. And now for the final step, I'm just gonna be using a small little amount of the pomade from Pete and Pedro. And when I say small, I mean small. Like, I don't want my hair to be super slicked back. Mix it in a little bit, like you can't even see it. That's how little I use. And I'm just gonna do a slight little touch up. Honestly, just on the sides, maybe a little bit on the front here. And then guys, we now have a man bun. And with that, I wanna thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.